What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Timon, and today we're gonna be installing. Hey guys, I'm gonna interrupt the video real quick and let you guys know that this is not an install video. I mean, I wanted to record installing it and the whole process of doing it, but I just couldn't find the time to do it because we're not really supposed to be installing parts at a place like this. Man, just trying to fish those two bolts in, it took us like an hour, but other than that, the install was pretty smooth. I'll show you guys a picture of the rear motor mount installed under the car, and we'll get back to the video. Here it is, the piece at its finest. So this is the instructions in the app, and here's the actual rear motor mount. Too soon, Junior. Chassis side, engine side. It tells you how much to torque it to. Piece looks really nice. Redefine the aftermarket. Okay, I see you. Peep the drip. Look at this. So the initial startup definitely sounds beefier. Like inside, oh yeah, race car. So now we're gonna take it on a little drive, see how different it is from stock. Ooh, there's definitely more vibrations. Oh yeah, at about 1,000, there is some definite vibrations. The tone of the car sounds way different with this mount on, from inside the cabin at least. Outside is probably the same. So for your average buyer, I would not suggest you buy this mount. But for the car enthusiasts and racetrack inspired people, I recommend this motor mount. Oh wow. To me personally, the vibration is not that bad though. Ooh, and the shifting feels a little bit better. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can catch that on camera. There is some slight vibrations in the cabin, but I mean, obviously there's gonna be drawbacks and everything from a performance-oriented motor mount. You got your pros and your cons. You want better traction, no wheel hop, with some added noise inside, or you want a couple wheel hop, some traction, and less vibrations. For me, I don't mind the vibrations at all. Like honestly, if I have passengers in the car, I mean, they might find it a little annoying and feel like my car is breaking down or something's wrong with it. But to someone who knows a little bit about cars, I feel like they would be like, oh, is that your exhaust or your downpipe, or why is your car rattling so much? Just tell them, horsepower. I got that horsepower. But you know what? All in all, 271, this is just the initial startup too. Like I'm literally driving it for the first couple of miles after installing it. And to me personally, it's not that bad as other people make it out. But I mean, different age groups, different priorities on what everybody else wants, so it's understandable. It's opinions at the end of the day and what you want out of your car. But nope, I love this mount. Can already tell. It doesn't even need to be broken in. Matter of fact, don't break in. No, I'm just playing. Sounds way beefier. I think I said that before, but it really does. I actually want to get on it, but over here, I don't know. I'll get on it on the next street. So I'm going to change it to map 3 really quick. 2, 3. We'll cancel again. Boom. Map 3. And now, put it in sport mode. And here we go. hop whatsoever. Nothing. I felt all the power go straight to the wheels. I'm kind of in awe right now. Like that one little mount makes that much of a difference, or a noticeable difference like that. Alright, we'll do one last second gear pull. I'll probably do a follow-up review about after 1,000 miles. This is in Mexico, you know, all in Mexico, you know? Alright guys, like I said before, I'm gonna do a initial follow-up review after about 1,000, maybe 1,500 miles of the braking process. I think on 271 they said to break it it'll break in about 300 miles, but I mean right now I'm fine with the noise personally, and it doesn't seem too bad. I guess I love unnecessary noise, who knows. I gave my honest feedback though. If you're looking for a comfortable daily driver, I wouldn't recommend this mount. But if you're a car enthusiast who wants to put power to the ground, you know, do a little street racing or track racing, this is the mount. I hope you guys liked the video. I was gonna do an installation video, but your boy, it was supposed to be an hour job, but it took 3 hours. It was me and my father-in-law. If I had a third person, I definitely would have recorded the whole process, but I'm not even mechanically inclined, like I said before in my last video, so what can you expect? Alright guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to your boy. If you like the video, you want to see more future content from me, like and subscribe. Comment any questions you guys got. I got you. I love to reply back to any comments, all comments that I see. Alright guys, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.